Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial. If you're completely new to Python and wondering how to start learning, which resources to use, and where to write and run your Python code online, this video is just for you. By the end of this tutorial, you'll learn why Python is worth mastering, discover the best learning resources, explore top online editors, find recommended video tutorials, tackle hands-on coding challenges, follow a beginner-friendly roadmap to Python mastery, and gain practical tips to learn Python effectively. Let's get started. Before we dive into resources, let's take a moment to understand why Python. Python is one of the most popular programming languages in the world. It's simple, powerful, and widely used in web development, data science, machine learning, automation, artificial intelligence. After all, Python has clean, readable syntax, making it the perfect first language for beginners. Here are the top platforms where you can learn Python step by step, all free or beginner friendly. W3 Schools Python Tutorial, beginner friendly with short lessons and examples. Includes an online editor so you can test your code instantly. GeeksforGeeks Python Programming, excellent for deeper understanding with examples, problems, and quizzes. freeCodeCamp Python Crash Course, offers both written guides and full-length YouTube tutorials. Real Python, detailed tutorials for all levels, beginner to advanced. Finally, official Python documentation, docs.python.org, the official source for everything about Python syntax, modules, and libraries. If you don't want to install anything on your computer, here are some excellent online Python compilers to start coding right away. Online Python, build and run your Python code instantly. Online Python is a quick and easy tool that helps you to build, compile, test your Python programs. Programmist Online Compiler, simple, clean interface for quick testing of code. Jupyter Notebook via Google Colab, best for data science, machine learning, and visualization, no setup required. Online GDB, powerful editor with debugging support and terminal view. Python Anywhere, great for learning and hosting small Python web apps. Now, we'll explore some of the best platforms and video tutorials where you can learn Python. YouTube. If you're just beginning your Python journey, YouTube is one of the best places to start. It is free, visual, and full of high-quality content. Simply go to youtube.com and search for keywords like Python for beginners, learn Python full course, or just Python tutorial. You'll find plenty of comprehensive tutorials from here. Udemy. Next up, let's explore udemy.com, one of the most popular e-learning platforms for Python. Search for Python in the Udemy search bar and you'll get hundreds of courses ranging from beginner to advanced levels. You can even filter by free to access free Python tutorials or choose paid courses for a more in-depth and structured learning experience. Skillshare. Another great learning platform is Skillshare.com. It offers short practical Python video classes created by industry professionals. You can explore lessons on Python basics, data visualization, machine learning, and even Python for automation. Skillshare also provides a free trial period, so you can explore several courses without spending anything upfront. Coursera. If you want a more academic style learning experience, check out Coursera, coursera.org. Search for Python and you'll find structured courses from top universities like University of Michigan's Python for Everybody, AT&T, Google's Crash Course on Python, and IBM's Data Science with Python. These are professionally curated with certification options that can boost your resume and career opportunities. freeCodeCamp, a completely free community-driven platform freeCodeCamp.org that helps you learn Python from scratch through interactive lessons and full-length video tutorials. It also offers hands-on coding projects and challenges, allowing you to apply what you learn step by step while building real-world programming skills. Let's walk through the complete roadmap to master Python, step by step. In weeks 1 to 2, start with the basics. Learn Python syntax, variables, data types, loops, and conditionals. In weeks 3 to 4, move on to data structures like lists, tuples, sets, and dictionaries, the backbone of Python programming. During weeks 5 to 6, focus on writing clean, reusable code using functions, modules, and packages. Then, in weeks 7 to 8, explore file handling, exceptions, and basic automation tasks. By weeks 9 to 10, dive into object-oriented programming to learn classes, objects, and inheritance. From weeks 11 to 14, start using real-world libraries and frameworks such as NumPy, Pandas, Django, or Flask. In months 4 to 6, apply your skills by building real projects and using Git and GitHub for version control and collaboration. Finally, between months 6 to 12, specialize in your favorite area, whether it's web development, data science, or AI, and keep learning, coding, and contributing to open source communities. Consistency is key. Keep coding, keep growing, and you'll be on your way to Python mastery. Tips for learning Python. Effectively start small. Write simple programs every day. Learn one concept at a time. Don't rush. Watch, read, and practice simultaneously. Try small projects like a calculator, to-do list, or number guessing game. Join Python communities, Reddit, Discord, Stack Overflow. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and share for more Python tutorials and project-based learning videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.
Python lessons.